Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to hide a message in WhatsApp. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to WhatsApp. Then we open a conversation with a person. If we want to hide this message, we click on their profile. This is where their details appear. We scroll down to the bottom and there is a chat lock. Click here. Then it says that this chat will be moved a hidden message. And in order to activate it, we have to enable Face ID. Click OK. We have Face ID enabled. We click with you here. And now this chat has been moved to hidden. Now we're out. And then we have a chat like this. So we go into WhatsApp. This chat is gone. So we go up and we have it here, but it's closed under a lock. We click on it, and in order to see it, we have to enter our Face ID. It works, and it opens up the hidden and closed chat. Now we click on it, and we can correspond with the person to write some messages. After that, we leave, and this chat automatically closes. And he immediately goes away, everything is gone. This is how easy it is to hide absolutely any message, any chat in WhatsApp. If you helped them like this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Thank you all for watching. See you again. Goodbye.